Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus, 2018, can best be described as the mid-range version of the Galaxy S8 Plus. Its predecessor was known as the Galaxy A7, 2017, but Samsung decided to switch up its naming scheme this year to make things simpler. This is one good-looking handset with robust specifications at an affordable price. The design is a mix of the Galaxy S8 Plus and the Galaxy A7, 2017. The result is a metal and glass sandwich with a beautiful 6-inch 1080 by 2220 pixel resolution Super AMOLED Infinity display. It doesn't have curved edges, though. The flat display has an 18.5:9 aspect ratio, which leaves no room for the physical home button. Like the Galaxy S8 Plus, the Galaxy A8 Plus, 2018, also houses the fingerprint sensor on the back. Unlike the Galaxy S8 Plus, it's located below the camera, which makes it a bit easier to reach. The Galaxy A8 Plus, 2018, is powered by Samsung's Exynos 7885 processor with Mali G71 GPU. It's available in 4/6 of a GB RAM and 32/64 of a GB storage options. The 6 GB RAM variant will be exclusive to China and a few other markets in Asia. The storage can be expanded externally up to 256 GB with a microSD card. There's Gear VR, LTE Cat.11, Wi-Fi-800 2.11 acres and Bluetooth 5.0 support on board as well. Despite Samsung's ambitious new naming scheme, the A8 Plus, 2018, has been launched with Android 7.1.1 Nougat, and not Android 8.0 Oreo. As with the A series of previous years, the newer version of Android will arrive later in the year per firmware update. As on other Galaxy devices with Android 7.1.1, the A8 Plus, 2018, too will come with the Samsung Experience UX version 8.5. This is the same UX as launched with the Galaxy Note 8 last year.